Friends, the topic of today, number puzzle. A very important topic for all competitive examinations, especially, of course, our CSAT II. So just observe the whole questions and almost all. I'll explain in same style. This is Bhupati Raj from Mantra IAS Academy, Hyderabad. Yeah, anyhow, those who are willing to join for any program of UPSC, most welcome to Mantra IAS. See, friends, this is the type of the question here. In fact, the middle number, 12. In this case, what do you call 24 here? How much comes here? In this case, we have 12, right? So options are 16, 20, 32 like that. So before starting this topic, I'll just give you an idea. Example, Baba, I've taken a triangle here in the first one. Imagine this. 3, 9 here, 16, 4 here. You can say this is 4 and you can say 2 here. What do you observe this? And in the same style, if I write the question 6, right? I don't write, of course, it's better to write, take small numbers, more better. I'll take here 4, I'll take here 9, and I just consider here 1. So what do you say regarding this one? 3 square is 9. So this is what you can say 4 comes by 2 square. So 2 must be here. And this is 4 square 16. So 9 is nothing but 3 here. And of course 2 square is 4. So that 1 square is 1. So answer is what you say that 2, 3, 1. This is style. So they can, in this particular case, they'll give us some squares or cubes or multiplications or additions, right? In the square figures, of course, you can say adding of all the things, of course, the rows and columns will be same. Then one will be blank in this. So that's a topic called as what you please? Number puzzle, my friends. So in the first question, the 12 is here. We have 1, 2, 2 and 3. So example, if I add all these things, what happens? 2, 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. 3, 5, it's 8, but not 12. So addition is not possible. It's not the right way. So the logic is not adding the digits, or adding the numbers. Now what's it? Try multiplication also. 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. How much it is? 2, 4, 3 is 12. Exactly. So then if it is the same logic is here in the second part, then you can apply the same logic. Otherwise change it. So 3, 4, 2, 1. If I multiply all these things, I should get 24. Is it? Just check it. 3 into 4, 12. Into 2, 24 into 1. Yes, perfectly. So the logic in this case is what is that, my friends? Multiplication of the concerned digits here. So same style you apply here. 5 2s are into 2 and into 1. So that is what, please? 5 into 2 into 2 into 1. 10 2s are 20. This is the answer here. Option B, my friends. So this topic is called as number puzzle, a very important one. Then second question, observe here. The middle number is 20 beta. And of course the other numbers are 4, 5, 3, 8, 9, 6, 7, 10 and 8, 7, 12, 10. So what comes here? The very important point in this case. Previously I did one thing, that multiplication, just multiplied the complete all the numbers here. So I'll try, because of small number only na 20. Based on that, of course, simply I'll try first of all adding of all these digits. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 8. Yes, possibility. Yeah, I got 20. If I get even in the second figure also the same, then I'll apply the addition of the things. And if I get the option, okay, otherwise none option. 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10. It is 15, 22 plus 10, 32. Perfectly. So the logic is what's perfect. Implies adding of the constant digits surrounded by this one, of course. So we say 8 plus, we have to write this 8 plus 7 plus 12 plus 10. Beta here 8 plus 12, 20. This is 20, 30, 37. So answer is A, Baba. So the total is 37. This is a way of doing, right? Next one means squares, cubes, multiplications, additions and subtraction, right? All the arithmetic applications here. Plus, minus, into, division, and squares of the numbers, cubes of the numbers, square roots. Of course, cube roots is not possible, though sometimes. These are the what actually generally they will consider here. And addition of implies in different applications. Row addition, columns addition, right? Diagonally like that. They will do wonders in the examination hall. And if you just practice, you can do wonders in the examination. That's what actually. So now come to the point. 3, 5, 4, 5, 12, 13. Yes. See, beta, whenever you can have 3 and 4, 3, 4, 5 like that, definitely there is a triplet. In mathematical point of view, you know well, if I take a right angle triangle in this style, it's 90 degrees. So this is, if I take 3, it's 4, it must be 5. What's the logic? Pythagorean principle, the Pythagoras theorem here. So that is 3 square I'll write here only, plus 4 square. Actually, how much it is, my friends? 9 plus 16, it is 25. But 5 indicates root of 25. That's nothing but square root of these values actually speaking. Root 25 is what you say, please? 5. This is what you say, please. So same still apply this 5 and 12 and you may get 13. If it is okay, otherwise change the logic. Now 5 square plus 12 square, Baba. How much it is, sir? 25 plus 1, 44. Under root, it's exactly 169. Root of 169 is exactly 13. Yes, balanced. So logic is clear. So apply the same thing for this question number 3 also. It is 9 square plus 12 square meter. It's 81 plus 144. This value 5, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 4 plus 8, 12. 1, 1, 2, okay, 225. Root of 225, you know, that is what? 15. I told you many times, please by heart all the values up to 30. You have to be in a position to tell within seconds of time the value 1 square to 30 squares. This is very important. And if you just do these things, automatically you can find many questions easily. That of course, because this is applicable in all mathematical point of view in calculations, and you can see in the point of number series, you can see that sequences, puzzles, right? Wherever you just like number puzzle, anything. Clear now? Even analogies also, not only 1, 2, 3, my friends, everywhere it is of course very essential one. So please by heart all the values up to 30. Now here, see 4, 5, 6 and 15 beta. By looking at this number automatically, this is what small number is there. So there is a chance of, if I get this value 15 by adding all the digits, I'll follow the same logic. That is nothing but the chance of adding, just addition. Check it. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 5. Yes, in this case, it's okay. Good. So that's the reason they can give us third point. In fact, if the same logic is applicable in the second one, then proceed with the same logic. Otherwise, change the logic. That's a reason. Now, beta here, 6 plus 10, 16 plus 14, perfectly 30. So the answer is what you say? Adding of all these things. 8 plus 7 plus 10, 15 plus 10, how much it is? 25. This is option A, beta. Option A. Now come to the point here. This is really good question. People feel that 8 is here, sir, as it is 8. 9 is not 9 in this case. So you don't write the answer 9 or something like that. So that's a very beautiful point. 2, 4, 8 must be 8. 3, 27, 9 must be, you can say that is what, please? Yeah, 27. 4 and 16, 64 must be what actually? So beta here the logic in this case is, it's a very beautiful question, please. 2 into 4, how much actually? 8. 8 into 8, 64. You have the 6, 8. 64, I just want according to my, of course, idea. Root of 64 is 8. Then I'll check with the same thing that, right? Even you, if you want to, of course, write in the simplest way, 2 into 4 into 8. It is what? 8 into 8. Square root of 8 into 8 2 times. Now you just take out one time. 8. That's the reason. I'll check in the second figure also. If it is okay, then good. Otherwise, we'll change the logic. What is there in that? Now check it. 3 into 27 into 9. Yeah, beta. This is nothing but 27 into 27, right? Because 3 9s are 27. 20, so 2 times. It's so ultimately root of 227. 27 to 27 is what? Only one time we can. Yes, exactly. It's beautiful. So logic is superb. The same logic I have to apply. So now the same story, 4 into 16 into 64, Baba. 16 4s are 64. So please you have to know the tables also, my friends. Otherwise it takes, you are going to waste much time in the examination hall. Please, if possible for you, mostly minimum 20 tables, if you know, it's better. Otherwise also at least maximum, right? I don't tell you this much or that much, because you have to work for yourself. In fact, the time saving is in your hand only. Root of 64 into 64, if it comes out 64. So answer is exactly A. This is a way of doing, right? So now friends, this is a part of UPSC program, Civil Services Aptitude Test Paper 2. You can say it's a qualifying paper, of course, very important. And you know, in this case, 80 questions for 200 marks and you have to get 66 marks, called as 33% minimum. So you just try the maximum 40-45 bits, at least 50% paper. If you do, you will be, of course, in what you can say in safe mode. So therefore try it. And this is a very beautiful topic. And if, of course, if your coaching is finished and everything is there, only problem you're facing with CSAT, right? Just come to our academy, or else you can say we have online and of course offline program. Most welcome to Mantra IAS. The number is 880-162-7181. This 81. You're from any part of this wonderful country. Definitely, of course, I can try my best to give you the maximum that. So 10 4 36. and 9 to 49, and you say beta 16 5 dash. See, it's a column logic, because these two, it's a maximum number. These two, this is a maximum number, it's a big number. So there is something that by this doing of these two things, maybe of adding multiplication, same arithmetic applications, right? You can say that plus 10 plus 4, 14, it's not possible to get 36. 10, 9 into 2, 18, no, not addition, not multiplication. So that is what, sir, this is 10 square, 100, yes, minus 16, yes, something is there, that of course, no, that's not possible to get. Then easy method, I'll tell you, it's a right method. But if I take 10 minus of 4, what's the value, please? Squaring of this. 6 square is 36. So the second column is 9 minus 2 square, called as 7 square, perfectly 49. Therefore, what is the answer, please? 16 minus of 5, it's 9, Baba. 9 square is no doubt. The answer is 81. 81. Understand? Then go to the next one here. This is a beautiful one, of course. Right? Concentric circle. In this case, what we say, two circles are there, of course, in this designed beautifully. So, beta, this is what you call one sector. Right? This is, of course, other sector. In this case, 10 and 8 should give you 9. 15, 13 must be 14 by doing something. In same cell 14, this sector is what actually 14, 20 must be something, and 18, 12 should give you 15 by what? By which method, sir? See, if I'll try, first of all, because logic is just trial and error method, then we can proceed accordingly. That 10 plus 8, it's 18. Otherwise, I'll write that also. 10 plus 8, 18. To get 9, I should do half of that. Right. If the same logic is applicable for the right side, then I can proceed. Otherwise, I'll stop. Now, 15, this I'm taking the second sector. Right. Now, 13 plus 15, it's 28 by 2, 14. Beautiful, issue over. Because where 2, of course, sets accepted the logic, ultimately third set will be definitely. So you can check this also, please. 8 in this sector. It is 18 plus 12, 30. If I do half of that is 15. Therefore, the answer is, my friends, 40 plus 20 by 2. Its value 60 by 2. You can get, of course, 30. That's option. Beautiful answer. So this is what you call the number puzzle, beta, right? And next video I'm going to upload a very beautiful one, of course, counting the figures, dice, right? And I'll try my best to give you the maximum information based on these videos. You will definitely try it, but you need only one thing, that the maximum practice, please, right? Of course, automatically by listening to my class, you may enjoy it. Itna aasan hai, like that. No, friends. It's easier only, very easiest one, but if you do practice, it becomes it is better. Otherwise, it will become a big problem in the examination hall. So, friends, here the eighth one also good question. 48, 12, 36 in first column, 23, 10, 13 second column. Oh, this is what 62, 42, and what is the next? This one here. So it's based on column logic, right? I'll do one thing. By using 48 and 12, I should get 36 beta. How it is possible? 48 plus 12, 60 by 2, not that one. So then 48 minus 12 is how much, please? Correct. You got the answer. Right now? So same style, 23 minus 10. 23 minus 10, definitely 13. So what about these ones? 62 minus 42, your answer is perfectly 20. Which is that? Option D. This is the way of doing, Baba. Then please go to question number 9. It's really some different question it is. Just to tell you one of the different models, I just have taken this question. See, this is what you can say, a rectangle. Ultimately, half circle upon every side of the rectangle. So in this one, what do you call 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And this is outside at 5, 13, 9 something. So we have to get this one. By doing something, we will get this value better. By using of all these numbers, definitely 5 will come, 13 will come, 9. So what is that, sir? So in this case, without wasting the time, I'll tell you 1, 2, 3, 4 are key numbers. So I'm taking that example to get 5. My option is only one thing with me, that 1 into 3, how much beta? 3. Now add the next number. Simply inside into 3. Next number is, of course, we have to add. So same next value is what? 2 into 3. Next should be Understood? Now plus 3. Understood? Next, same style I'll tell you here. So to get, this is what? 3 into 3 and plus 4. So 1 into 3, 3 plus next number is 2 here, beta. Again, start with the 2. 2 into 3, same thing. We have to add the next number, that is 3 here. So 3 plus 2, 5 it is. 6 plus 3, 9. Beautifully settled. Now I have to start with which one, please? Observe this is, okay, I'll check 13 first of all. 4 into 3 I should do plus 1. If I get, of course, answer, then good. Otherwise, I'll change my logic. Now see beta here. 4 into 3, 12. How much I have to add this number? 1. 12 plus 1, perfectly 13. So I have to do this. Please observe 3 into 3 plus 4 I have to do beta. That is 3 into 3. Next to it is 4 plus 4. What is the answer now, please? Exactly. 9 plus 4, 13. This is a way of doing, right? It's a beautiful answer we have. A fantastic one now, my friends. So focus on that. Where's the option, please, in this case? Option is exactly C beta. Right? Generally, what we can do in this case, we'll start from 4. Okay, I'll tell once again that the logic what we find into 1 into 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, the logic actually here. Okay, I'll start there only. What is there? I'll just tell you one more time in this case. I'll repeat the logic once again. To get 13, use this. I think now you will get very clarity upon this one by listening to this one once again. 4 into 3 plus 1, I have to do that. 4 into 3 plus 1, exactly 12 plus 1, it's pakka 13. Very good. Same style now. 1 into 3 plus how much? This 2. Hope you understood that. 3 plus 2, 5. Later point beta, 2 into 3, 6 plus adding of this 3. 6 plus 3, how much it is? 9 baba. Later point is now same. 3 into 3 and the next to that is 4. 9 plus 4, 13. That is a way of doing actually. So into 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, that's a style. So answer is 13. Any method, not a problem at all. Yeah, beta. 10th question if you observe here, right? It's a beautiful one, simplest one. You can definitely get. I told you many times, even if you check my shortcut method, the first one in this CSAT II shortcut methods, there you can find, whenever you find 1225 or 625, right? 2025, there is a chance of square, I told you. It is pakka how much it is? 35 square. 625 is what is that, please? 25 square. It is how much, sir? Yeah, just see that. 45 square, right? This is a way of doing better. Some square. So 1225 must be pakka 35 square, chance is there. And you know, this is also 729 beta. It's also perfect square, please. So now come to the point here. 17 plus 18. It is 35. Oh, got it. 35 square is 1225. Therefore, here also I should do that. 13 plus 14. It is 27 beta. 27 square is nothing but same, 729. Therefore, my idea in this case is what to implement. 19 plus 4. Of course, we have 23. 23 square is at 529. I told you to by heart all the values. By that, you can do it in seconds of time. Otherwise, what to do? Again, 23 into 20, it's a headache. So better follow that method, my friends. Now, just logic is here. By looking at the question, you can get the answer. Very simplest one. Because 14 is there, 5, 2, 4. 5, 5, 6, 31. I point. So what is that here? 5 2s are 10 and plus 4 beta. Its value 10 plus 4 is pakka 14. Again, my dear, 5 into 5, 25 plus 6, it is 31. In same style, 6 into 2, 12 plus 5. What is the answer, please? 12 plus 5, perfectly 17. This is what. So many questions are there, no doubt. And you have to practice mostly in every topic 50 to 60 bits minimum. Just better, of course, start immediately and don't wait for the, right? Almost all day. And first of all, we have to focus. So it's very important not to get more score in paper 1 or race. I understand. But point is to qualify in this paper, no, my friends. So please focus on this. Yeah, those who are willing to join our academy, most welcome to Mantra IAS Academy. That's the number is, of course, Hyderabad, the 880-162-7181. Have a great time. We'll be, of course, with other video tomorrow or some other time. Bye-bye.